Jai Guru students. We are learning Python pandas, and into the pandas we learning series, pandas series. So series is the primary building block of pandas. Series is a label one-dimensional array which can hold any type of data. So say in a series is used for the one-dimensional array, and that can hold any type of value, and that value is mutable, but the size of series is immutable. And data that is based on data structure, so it have index, and second one contain the actual data. So we already learned that how to create the list. These are the way of creating list. There we created homogeneous and heterogeneous data, and this is a way to create a dictionary into Python pandas. And this is way of creating tuples with homogeneous and with heterogeneous. Now today we going to create series object. So our today topic is creation of series objects. So how you can create a series object? So into the pandas you only use the methods. So for the creating the series in Python pandas, so you have to use the series method. So this is the first step, using series method. If you want to create series object, so you have to use series method. So there are many ways to create series type of object. First is using series method. So this is the syntax. So first you will note down that syntax. Clear? So the syntax is series object, then pandas dot series method. It will create empty series, means the object have nothing. It have no any value. So in practical, how you can create it, the series? First you will write the import pandas as PD. This is the pandas object. PD is denote for the pandas object. Clear? With help of this object, we able to access any methods of Python panda. So this object has been created. So this is actually what we are import a library, that is a pandas library with respect of PD object. So that object now able to access any method of Python pandas. So now this object has been created, PD. Now we will create the series of object. So this is the any user defined name, OB. OB is user defined name, equal. You will write the object of pandas PD dot series method. So when you print it or when you execute the OB, so it will execute that output. This is actually the output. What series is empty series, because there is written there what it will create the empty series. So that's why the series is empty. Clear? Now the next method is non-empty series creation. Means there should be some value. If you want to create series with some value, so you have one another option. So simply you have to first import the pandas as PD. This is the compulsory mandatory that library you have to call. So simple, we will import pandas as PD. Once again we create the object of PD. There the syntax is series object, any object name you can place, equal PD. This is the object of pandas, PD dot series method you have to use, but then data, and this is the index value which you want. Where data can be Python sequence, ND array, Python dictionary or scalar value means any data you can place in the that parameter. So there is two arguments. One is data and second is index. So first is data. There you can place sequence value that we already learned, list, dictionary and tuples. So any data you can create there, and this is the index also you can assign. So we are using here the range method for the series value. So for this, import pandas as PD you will write. Second, object you will create for the series, object equal PD dot series is range 5. This method we already learned into 11th class. So range method, what will we do? It will create 0 to 4 value. What? 0 to 4. So that will automatically create a series with number 0 to 4. And there we did not place the index, so it will automatically able to create the index. So you can see the output. This is a index, you can see there. This is the syntax 0 1 2 3 4. This is the index that has been created automatically, and this value is created with the help of range method 0 1 2 3 4. So this is the range value. Clear? So this is the index and this is the value. Second example you can see there. Once again, there we assign our own value without using the range function. So if you want to assign any desired value which you want, not with the help of any method, so directly you can assign. So simply how you can use, this is the user defined, means first step you have to import the pandas and then object you have to create. Second, pd dot series, and there you can place any value 3 5 4 4.5. so this list has been created by the user with desired value which she want. Clear? And when you will want to output, so simple, you will write the obj, so it will execute the value. So you can see there 3 5 4 4.5 and index has been created automatically. So this is the way of creations of object series.